In my 30 years of journalism, I've never seen anything like this. Ashok is actually trying to open the garden umbrella. Gargi is doing her bit to help Irfan set up the garden umbrella.
It was my idea.
It was actually your idea. And Ashok bought it in Dubai, and here's Irfan. He's actually helping us set up. Now, what are we doing here? We are trying to get this garden umbrella set up for coverage because our 5 p.m. show, it is 44 degrees. So here we are. Imagine this. So here's the garden umbrella base. Here's the umbrella. If we are able to set this up, which seems likely now that we will be, then we can stand under this shade and do our show. Unbelievable is all that I will say. You know, in typical Indian language, this is jugaad of the highest order. This is absolute highest order jugaad. And now Irfan will have to leave because people here have made a rule that the driver also needs accreditation. So Irfan is leaving. Gargi and Ashok trying their level best to fix this. I don't know if they will be successful or not. The running commentary will describe that to you in a moment. If the garden umbrella falls on any of us, there could be a casualty. 1 minute पकड़ने के लिए कह रहे हैं, वही अभी हो रहा है. Okay, so you can see a desperate attempt still going on. अब क्या हो गया? अब कुछ दूसरा हम लोगों ने कर दिया है. The other way round. So we have made a mistake. Now we are trying to fix that mistake if it's possible.
Yeah, that one will go in. No. Yeah, this part will go in.
Yes.
This part will go in. So Gargi has the stick. We are again trying it. We will keep you updated on our progress. But this is unbelievable. Like I reported to you, in my 30 years of cricket journalism, I've never traveled, or sports journalism, I've never traveled to an international event carrying a garden umbrella. First time. It's our own, and we will set it up and do our show. Bloody mind-blowing. Absolutely unbelievable.
Well done.
It's almost done, is it?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Now you guys can see. They're opening the garden umbrella.
Gargi knows exactly how to do it.
Amazing. It was Gargi's idea and Ashok is... Gargi, celebrate. Come on.
High five.
Celebrate.
I need to stand on this.
Okay, high five between the two. Wonderful.
Successful.
Only thing is, we need to stand on this. Otherwise, there is no water inside this.
Doesn't matter. As long as the damn thing doesn't fall.
We need a big four stones
Okay, now...
or one breeze and this will blow away.
So, what are we trying to do now?
Or we'll go and we'll put it against the car. No, पत्थर चाहिए वो. No, you hold this.
So Ashok is now going to get a stone. Now follow Ashok. He's actually going to get that piece of stone. Wonderful. And Gargi is holding fort. She's planted the Indian flag on top of Himalayas, Mount Everest. Unreal. Ashok is now getting the stone, and here's Irfan. He's leaving. He's going inside the ground. Now Ashok has plonked the stone. Wow.
Done.
So this is done. Fantastic. Gargi, don't lose the car keys. Lock kar do. Kar diya. Okay. So I end it here. So this show ends here with final comments from my two successful colleagues. Ashok, you go first.
Well begun is half done.
I'm glad to be under the shade. That's all.
Okay. So thank you very much, folks, for watching. This is typical Indian jugaad at its very best.